So friends, finally we have reached Koteshwar. You can see in the background that is the Arabian Sea. So that is the Koteshwar temple over there, and there you see that is the Arabian Sea. I will tell you the history of Koteshwar in a short while. There are two places in Koteshwar. One is the temple and another one is the beach. So there are many shops over here. This is the main entrance of the temple. So right now we have not entered the temple. We are on the other side of the temple. Let me tell you guys the history of Koteshwar temple. So Lord Shiva gave one Shivalinga idol to Ravan, and what Ravan did was, Ravan was flying with the Shivalinga over this Koteshwar, but unfortunately he didn't take it that seriously, so he just dropped that Shivalinga, and as a result the one Shivalinga turned into millions of Shivalingas. In the end, Ravan became confused which one was the original Shivalinga. So he took some Shivalinga, considering that as the original one, and he took it to Sri Lanka. But unfortunately, the original Shivalinga is still in India, that is Gujarat, and the place is Koteshwar temple. So this is the real Shivalinga which is here. So this is the history behind this Koteshwar temple. So I hope you guys understood the history now. So now let's look around and see what we have. So friends, this is the other way of the Koteshwar temple. This is the backside entrance, but I don't know whether it will enter inside the temple or not. Let's check it out. The view in itself is extraordinary here. Oh yes, nice. So there is a temple over there. So nice, so beautiful. That's great. So you can see there people going into the temple from there. I think there is no need to express in words about this beautiful place. So that's the Koteshwar temple here. And there you go, that's the Arabian Sea, and the sunset is about to happen now. We are doing a back gate entry now. This is the point where sunset happened a few minutes earlier. So before you go on top, it is better to remove your shoes. So this is the temple as such. The beauty of this temple is that the sun, when it sets, it is in direct contact with the temple here. That is another small temple over there. Such a beautiful place to visit. So this is where we are going to end our video today. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Polar Man Studio. See you guys in my next video with new things. Till then, take care, cheers and peace.